All right, so if you guys own a flat grill that's 36-inch, I'm gonna give you guys a solution to get an actual cover. Now, when you buy a grill, sometimes they don't come with cover, sometimes they do. But if you are one of those people that bought the end without the cover, I'm gonna show you a solution to actually get a replacement or an existing cover for your flat grill. If you guys can see, this is a Blackstone 36-inch. We're gonna set it up so you guys can see the new cover that I got. All right, we're gonna start assembling the kit. All right, this goes on the top. All right, this underneath, make sure the washers are underneath. All right, step one done. Now they have two types of installations. All right, they have a hinges. If you don't have the parts and you need the actual extender, this is it right here. All right, so the fortunate thing that I don't have to install this because mine is just pretty much two of the screws in the end, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna set it up the way I need to set up on mine. So I'm not gonna use these, but this is a great option for those that don't have that it's not compatible or an older version of it or different models. You can actually screw it in. All right, if you guys can see, I already have the welds in here in place for this type of thing. All right, so this is gonna go either in or out, right? So either or, but you have to lock it in place. All right, it's best if it goes in and lock it in place. All right, so this is a little, see, you just got to make sure you push it in there. It's pretty much grips inside. You guys can see that. This here, now you got to do is push it in. All right, we'll see how well the gauges work. It's heating up right now. Everything's coming up hot right now. We're gonna give it a couple minutes and come back. We're gonna add some oil too. We're gonna see how hot it gets. We're gonna turn it up at least to 200, a little bit above 200. It gives you Fahrenheit and Celsius in there, if you guys can see that. Perfect way to actually grill. I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit more so it could be a little bit more, and put some longer washers. Come back in a couple minutes. I just came back. Look at this, guys, over 300 already. Super hot. Ooh, it's hot. It is hot. So just to let you guys know how it works, very simple, easy to use. Now I'm gonna let you know this gets a little hot too, because I just had it open. It's not super hot, but it's a little warm. Just be careful about it. Overall, I like it. Hope you guys do too.